Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how we can use Power Query to automate our data cleaning. So we have a file with us here. To send this data to Power Query, we can go to the Data tab. On the left side, we have Get Data. And if we want to open the Power Query editor, we can do that. But in this case, I want to send this data to Power Query. So we select the option called From Table / Range. It will convert the data first into a table. So we press OK. Once you do that, a new window will open up that looks like this. On the right side, all your steps can be seen as well. Now imagine I want to make a few changes. I just want 3 columns. I want the application date, the credit score, and the employment status. We can press Ctrl, select these 3 columns, right click, and then remove the other columns. You will notice that this step has been saved on the right side. After that, maybe we just want to select people with a credit score of greater than 655, for example. So we can apply a filter where we say a number filter greater than or equal to 655. And we also want to select people who are self-employed. And finally, the application date should be only 2018 and 2019 and 2020. So as you can see, we only have 4 records that meet this condition. All these steps have been saved. We can close and load the data. On a new sheet in the same file, a table is created. And the best part is that if any further changes happens on your original file, all you have to do, like a pivot table, is to come back, right click and refresh it.